Hello guys, welcome to the Voltman channel. Today we'll be applying a screen guard for all of the shiny part over here. As you know, it gets a lot of scratches when you click your nail here, and I don't have any solution for the center console as of now, but I do have solution for the infotainment system. Uh, for this part, one for the steering, and this one accidentally they gave a wrong piece. This is for the top model, but I use a smart plus. This does not fix. I will talk to the seller and have it replaced, but for now I'll just install these three, because that's what I want. I don't want to protect that because there is no mean that I will be protecting that. So we'll be installing all these three for now, and I'll show you how you can also install it by yourself, and it's going to be a DIY process. Let's get into the video. Okay, things you'll be needing is some water spray, a clean microfiber cloth without any dust. It also has some wipes, so I'll also be using this, and a squeezy just in case to remove some bubbles. Okay, step one is to spray some water and clean this. Then we'll be using one of the wet wipes to that's pretty tiny. Let's remove the back cover. Come on. Hey. They have installed a sticker which is okay. There you go. And simply align it. No. Okay. If it looks good to you, take this squeezy. Just start putting pressure. Okay. Same for here. Just take a little bit. Start pressing across this. Use your hand to remove some bubbles. Let's put some pressure. Use a microfiber cloth and just put some pressure. If there's any bubble, you should be able to see some bubbles. It's in the screen itself. You just try to push this way, that way, and use squeezy. There's no matter how hard you use the squeezy, because this has another layer, so it's not gonna scratch your actual screen guard, so it's fine. Okay, this looks perfectly aligned. Okay, now let's remove the second cover. Beautiful. Yeah, so beautiful. I think this corner has some bubble. What I'll do is I just put it back and use a little bit of finger or a pressure to remove this bubble. These two corners have it. Now it looks good. Okay, there are some few bubbles, but they should disappear in time, because if the cabin gets heated, it should automatically disappear. Off. Okay. All right. Looks good. Has installed perfectly without any bubbles, but this is like 1 to 2 mm bigger. I'm not sure if you can see this. Let me zoom it. It's 1 mm bigger, and that way it creates little gap. Not sure eventually in future there is dust gonna accumulate, but this is fine for now. This is fine. Step 1, cleaning. Okay, let's place it over here. Align this perfectly. Or else you can use a squeegee. Perfect. Looks good. Now let's turn on the ignition and see. Okay. This looks good. The touchscreen also works flawlessly. It's smooth now, better than the stock. There's a little bit of gap, but it's okay. No screen guard for this as of now, and this console is also decent. This is good. So alright, so this will be replacing. I'm not sure if the seller is ready to replace with the right one. I'll talk to the Amazon customer service to see what they can give me this resolution. Hope this video was helpful. I'm finding solutions to install a custom pre-cut out PPF to prevent scratching, because it gets a lot of scratch when I use the center console. So I'll come up with a solution for this and I'll post a video on that as well. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe.